Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, share to family and friends. Let's get started. So this is my hair in its natural state, and I'm just going to get a hairband, and I'll be using that to pack my hair into a bun. So I'm not going to be packing this bun firmly because it's something I will still have to go over and repack again. So it's just like giving me a sketch of what I have to do. So next I'll be taking my black gel, and I'll be using that over my hair. I like using the black gel because it gives my hair this firmness, that like there's this firmness that comes with it. It helps hold my hair in place. So I'll just be applying that all over the hair. So next I'm taking a hard brush, and I'm using that to brush my hair into place. So next I'll be taking my Eco Styling Gel, and I'll be applying that over my hair again, and it works better with the black gel, and I'll just be using this brush to brush it into my hair. So next I'll be taking a hairband again. I'll be using that to pack my hair. This time around I'll be packing it real firm because this is like the final packing, and you need it to be firm because that is your high bond there, and that will determine your ponytail. So next I'll be taking the hard brush to brush everything into place. So the next thing I'll be doing is braiding the tip of the hair. Taking my hair wax, and with a brush I'll be using that to lay my edges. Once I'm done with this, I'll be taking a scarf, and I'll be tying that over my hair to lay the hair down. So next we're going to start the ponytail using the attachment. I got the Lush braiding hair. Honestly, I did not want this hair, but this was the only option I was left with. So taking my scissors, I'll be cutting the hair into two, after which I went ahead to pick it. After which I used a brush to brush the braiding hair, and I took a band, and I'll be doing this. So I'm just interlocking the band here. Then I'll take another band and just put it over the hair the way I'm doing it. Yeah, it's just like that. It's kind of helps define your ponytail. So next I'm just positioning the braiding hair band across my face, and then I'll swing it backwards. After doing this, I use hairpins to pin the hair down, after which I use some parts of the braiding hair to hide the band from earlier. And this is the end of the video, guys. I hope you were able to learn 1 or 2 tips from this video. This is like your low budget slay hair ponytail. It's just a ponytail you achieve with braiding hair. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're yet to, turn on the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up. See you next time.